Hello dear students, today we will study about different religions in India. So India is a country where every citizen has a right to choose and practice any religion, and all the different religion people are treated equally in India. There is no religious biasness in our country. So the first religion is Hinduism. It is considered to be the oldest religion in our country and it is based on non-violence. There are so many god and goddesses which are worshipped in this religion. The holy books are the Vedas, the Puranas, the Bhagavad Gita, and so many more. The festivals celebrated by the Hindus are Holi, Rath Yatra, Dashera, Diwali, Raksha Bandhan, and so many more. It is considered to be one of the most peaceful religion in the world. Second is Zoroastrianism. The founder of this religion was Zoroaster, and this religion is very unique due to its belief. The followers of this religion consider fire as divine because of its light and warmth. They often prefer to worship individually instead of group, and they visit fire temples to worship God. They believe in one universal God known as Ahura Mazda, the sole creator of the universe. Here is the image you can see on the right side. So there is an image of fire temple. As you can see how divine they consider fire. As you can see there is a lot of use of fire in this temple. So they visit fire temples and they are very unique people. Now the number of people those who follow this religion is very less, and often it is said by analysts that if there will be a continuous decline in the number of people following this religion, after some time we will study about this religion only in the books. So the next one is Jainism. It is also a very peaceful religion. The 24th Tirthankar was Mahavira. Mahavira left his kingdom and his family at the age of 30 in search of God. And the holy book which is followed by the people in this religion is Agamas. Festival celebrated by them is Mahavira Jayanti. In Mahavira Jayanti, the peoples of this religion celebrate the birth of Mahavira. So the people go to Jain temples. Here is the image of a Jain temple you can see on the left side, and here is the picture of Vardhamana Mahavira. Now we'll study about Buddhism. This religion founder was Gautam Buddha, and the holy book is Three Pitakas. Festival celebrated by them is Buddha Jayanti. Again, Buddha Jayanti is celebrated to mark the birth of Lord Buddha, and people often visit Buddhist monasteries or temples to worship Lord Buddha. So on the left side you can see there is an image of Buddhist monastery. Basically, monastery is a place where the monks live, and on the right side there is a image of Gautam Buddha. So now we'll study about Christianity. This is the image of a church. So this religion is based on the teachings of Jesus Christ, and the festivals celebrated by the Christians are Christmas and Easter. Christmas is celebrated to mark the birth of Jesus Christ, and Easter is a festival which celebrates the return of Jesus Christ from dead to life. The holy book which is followed by Christians is the Bible, and Christians go to the church to pray. So here is an image of Jesus Christ. In the slide you can see it. Islam and the holy book followed by the Islamic people is Quran. Festival celebrated by them is Eid al-Fitr and Eid al-Adha. Eid al-Fitr is celebrated to mark the end of Ramadan. So on this day they break their fast, or they open their fast, and they visit mosques to pray. The last one is Sikhism. So this religion is based on the teachings of Guru Nanak, the first guru, and the holy book followed by the people of this religion is Guru Granth Sahib. This festival celebrated by them is Guru Parv, and Guru Parv is celebrated to mark the birth of Guru Nanak. And the Sikh people pray in the Gurudwara. So here is the maze of Golden Temple. So that's all for today. Thank you.